All right. So, good evening, everyone. Again, I am V. So, I will be um, walking you through how to create funnel design inside AHA Innovation. So, I personally use AHA Innovation for my funnel design. So, I also recommend it to my clients because of ano siya, very intuitive and very easy to use lang siya. Although it's basically just GHL, but they made it very accessible and very uh, UI and UX friendly. So that's why I highly recommend it not just to my clients, but also to my funnel friends who also do funnels. So right now, since we're gonna be doing funnel design. So this is the dashboard. Now, once you sign in to your AHA Innovation account, so you'll be redirected here. So on the left panel is the menu. So dito lahat yung mostly navigations natin. So since this is just a sub account, so uh, limited lang yung ano natin access, which is sub account level lang din. But you can uh, access naman everything here. So yeah, let's go directly na to sites here. So on the left side, just click sites. So since wala pa tayong nagawang funnels, let's start by clicking here. By the way pala, dito sa taas, nandito lahat ng mga choices natin if you want to make funnels, make websites, or stores, if you want to do webinars. Wait, sorry. If you want to open a store or webinars, also meron ding analytics, blogs that you can add to your websites, also WordPress integration, client portal, forms, surveys, quizzes, chat widgets, and QR codes. So for now, let's go to funnels. Okay, to get started, syempre click natin here. So there are two buttons, dito sa taas and here. So let's click plus. So you have three choices to create from blank, or also GHL also released a new feature that you use AI to build funnels. So it's still on beta, but we'll not be using that for now. And you can also choose from templates. And kasi meron din meron din mga templates inside AHA Innovation. So right now, let's create everything from scratch or from blank. So let's name this AHA funnel. Then click create. All right, so once that's done, here to get started with our funnel, need natin i-click tong button na to, tong add new step or import. Okay, click that one and name of the page. So let's say this is our home page. All right, so the path, let's just say home. Then create funnel step. So since ano lang yung gagawin natin tonight is the home page lang. Then once that's done, so you have just a quick navigation lang din dito sa here sa builder natin. So meron ditong stats, sales, security, events, and here's the settings. You can add here the name of your funnel, and also you can add the domain here. You add your favicon, and also edit your path and whole other bunch of customizations for your funnel or setups, other setups. So let's go back to steps, and now let's create our funnels. All we need to do is to click this button, the edit button. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's create from blank. Oh, wait. Okay. So now this is our builder. So on the left side, you'll see an icon that says add element. So mostly dito yung navigation natin, no? Sa on the left side. And wait. Okay. So here, as you can see here, ito yung makikita natin. No? So to get started with our funnel is I'd like to go through here sa mga section natin. So once you create your funnel, you must have sections, rows, and elements. So ito lang muna yung i-focus natin for tonight. So again, so I would describe it as row is the lot, is the lote. And sections, sorry. Section is the lote, rows is the house. Okay, and inside the house meron siyang mga rooms. So that's how I would like describe it to a beginner. So first is yung ifo-focus lang muna natin for today is creating the hero section. Okay? Wait. Just a second. Let me transfer to another browser. Okay. So, kita na ba? Can you see my screen now? Can you show my screen? All right. Okay. Yeah, so again, to get started, no, since to get you an idea what is a hero section, so I made a Canva template, no, for us to get started or to have an idea what is a hero section. So here I created a template in Canva. No, it's just a parang wireframe lang, or like to give us an idea, no, how our hero section would look like. So ang hero section is yun yung pinakaunang makikita natin when we go to a website. So it's also called above the fold section. No? So usually sila yung nasa pinakataas ng website natin. So Again, I made this template, no, for us to give us like para ma-visualize natin how our hero section would look like when we build it here. So paano ba natin i-build yung ganitong look here sa funnel builder natin using AHA Innovation. Okay, so first is let's add first our rows. Okay, let's yung gagawin niyo lang guys is when you click rows, you click and drag and you drop it here sa inside sa green na section. So once you release that, so ito na yung ano niya, yung look niya. All right? Yeah. So let's go back here. So since we have yung section natin here, so let's make this small actually. So para ma-achieve natin na we will put the headline, sub-headline, and the CTA button here, and we will also put our picture here. So paano ba siya gawin dito? How can we like divide the row into two? So here when you go to row, meron ditong one column if you want to add two columns. All right, so that's it. Now when I click that, meron agad na dalawang columns, so you can add 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, up to 6 columns. So okay, let's i-delete muna natin to yung ginawa natin kanina. So again, so we want to okay. Again, sorry. So since we want to have like parang dalawang sections here for our again for our header, heading, subheading, and CTA button, and for our photo. Now let's go back here. Click natin dito sa row. So you have an option to add 1 column, 2 columns, up to 6 columns. So since yung gusto natin is dalawang column lang, then you select the 2 columns, click, drag, and drop. Okay, so meron na tayong dalawang containers here, this one and this one. So first is i-add muna natin yung mga text natin before we add everything. So I think that's what I do. First is to add the text inside our funnel builder first before we design everything. Okay, so first is let's copy this. So it's also important guys to do this di lang sa because for now we will just be showing the hero section, and it is really important na to do this for us na parang copy paste na lang, ita-transfer na lang natin sa builder natin. So let's copy all of this. And so paano ba natin how can we add a text here sa this part ng sa part na to ng section na to? So first is you can click add, tapos magpa-pop out na to, then go to elements and click headline. Click that, drag and drop here on the left na side. Okay, so let's paste our text here. Okay, nakapin niya yung again, let's do that again. So what I usually do is right click and paste, match, and style. Okay, so let's go back again. Let's copy these. Top headline, copy, and let's go back to the builder. Again, let's add another element, no, which is the subheadline. So all you need to do is click, drag, drop that below our headline. Okay. So select all and paste. Okay. So, ano ba yung next natin i-add? It is our button. CTA button natin. So, how to do that? Again, let's go to here sa add elements. Click that plus na button. Then go to elements and here. You can see the button. Click that, drag, and drop it under our subheadline. So be careful guys now if you do this, because if you release it here, so it will create a new section. No, we don't want that. Gusto natin na dito lang siya. Dito sa part na to, malalagay yung CTA button natin. So if this happens to you, so click nyo lang, hold, drag, and drop it here. Okay. So, since we wanted to add our photo here, no? So, I already pre-made it para, or if you want to, we can actually go through it. Just, a little tip then from me, how I do it. Okay, so this is the original photo that I generated from Gemini. So, this is an AI-generated photo of me. No? So, sabi ko nga sa kanila kanina, sana all, ganito sana yung ko. Mukha ko in real life. Anyway, so, actually Canva, I don't know if, you know this feature in Canva, AI feature in Canva na, ma-expand niya yung image. So, all you need to do is, click this, especially if may photo kayo na putol yung arm, if you wanted to extend, no, yung makikita yung ibang lower part ng body mo. So you click the photo, click here sa edit, then go to the Magic Studio and click nyo lang tong button na to para mag-slide yung features, then go to Magic Expand. Click that one and i-click nyo lang tong dito sa corner, i-drag nyo siya. Then, let's say about this far. Then, click expand. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds for it to load. Okay, parang awkward. Okay, I think we're gonna be... Bayan, let's generate. Ang pangit kasi ng ng AI ng Canva, but you just refresh lang. Okay, I think I like this one. Okay, click done. And what I usually do is diretso na background remover. Okay, so once that's done, i-style nyo lang siya, then you will come up with this image. So, to achieve this parang ombre na parang nag-fade siya na look is go back to your photo and go here sa apps and search image blender. Okay. Click itong purple na icon, image blender, and click nyo lang tong linear. Then adjust nyo lang siya about here, or you can adjust the strength, and I think that's okay. Then click save. So in-style ka lang siya. So I added some graphics, no? We don't want to go through that now. So once that's already downloaded, so don't forget guys, when you save this one, don't forget to use PNG, and don't forget to click the transparent background. Okay, para transparent yung background niya once you save this one. And you can only do that on PNG na format. So let's go here. So paano ba mag-add ng photos here on the right side? So again, click this add button and click nyo lang dito sa elements and find image. So dito siya sa media na section. Click that, drag and drop. Okay. So now let's start designing our funnel. Okay. So first, what I do is I add my background first. So paano ba natin i-add yung background? So click nyo lang to here, the background. So once the lines turn green, so that's your section. So you want to add a background on this section. So once makikita nyo yun na yung green, the lines, go over here to the right na section. We have general and styles. So let's go here to general and click here sa background and click image, and on this section click this little image icon here, then magpo-pop out yung media storage natin. So I already uploaded it, no? So this is the background, our background, no? Click that and click insert media and boom, that's our background. So again, i-add natin yung image natin here on the right side, no? So how to do that? Click the image and go here on the right section, go to general, click image and click here to select para mag-pop out yung media storage, then click the or your photo, then insert media, then bam, there you have it. Right? So there, ay, may paklap na ba? So again, let's work on the left section of our hero section. Alright, so click here, click all, select all, then once you select the text, guys, so automatically nagpa-pop out yung ito na panel natin, no, to customize our text or our headline. So again, once you select that, click this one and select white, because I already added the brand colors already. So that's, I think, for another topic, yung if you want to add the brand colors. So but let's just select the colors here sa default colors natin, since ito yung magpa-pop out if you haven't added the brand colors yet. So click the white. So yeah, and let's also make our subheading white again. Okay. Okay. So paano ba natin i-left align ang ating text dito sa hero section natin? So to do that, click nyo lang yung text, go over here to styles, diba general yung kanina, then let's go to styles. And here's the text align, of course, let's click left align and go. So let's just adjust this. Okay, I like this orientation better. And again, click here the subheading and go to styles, align, and click the left align. And also need natin i-left align din ang ating button. Click your button, again go to styles, go to styles and scroll down, then here's align and button align, then click left align. Okay. So, paano ba i-change? 'Di ba? Red yung ano natin, button natin kanina. Here sa Canva. But we can only add an opaque color na ano lang, plain lang na color. If you wanted to add like a gradient, so it's already a different topic because you will need a CSS code for that. But now let's just make this one red. Okay, so click the button again dito pa rin sa styles. Is it on styles or general? Okay, general pala. Sorry about that. Sorry for the confusion. So click general and go to scroll down here sa colors and click the background color. So let's select red. And there you have it. That's how you change the color of your button. So, paano ba maging at least lagyan lang natin siya ng ng stroke, white na stroke for it to pop out a little bit. So as you can see, meron ng dito, parang default na meron siyang white na stroke. So click that, go to styles and select here on the border, select full border, and you can actually change the border width or the thickness of the border. So let's say 3px. Okay, but I want the bottom to be rounder. So paano ba yan? Then let's just go here sa border radius. Usually I use 25px for this, or maybe 50. Okay, there you have it. So, paano ba natin i-adjust yung spacings natin? How do we kasi medyo siya, too close to each other. I want na may space ang heading sa ating subheading and sa ating button. So, how to do that? Okay. Just checking in my baka may Okay. So how to add spaces, no? Sa here sa elements natin. So these are called elements, your text, your headline, sub headline, and your button. So these are called elements. So to do that, to add space in between, again, let's go here to the right section and go to styles and go to margin and padding. Okay? So, V, ano ba yung margin and padding? Ewan ko, joke lang. So, margin is the space outside the box. Again, say it with me. Margin is the space outside the box. And the padding is the space inside the box. So, ganyan lang. Again, margin is the space outside the box. And padding is the space inside the box. Okay, so paano ba natin ma-apply yun? So again, go to styles, go to margin and padding, and this section here. Again, so ito yung outside natin. So meron sa top, left, right, and bottom na margin. So we can also add margin inside sa top, left, right, and bottom. So usually, yung ginagawa ko is doon na ako mag-a-adjust sa it's either margin or padding, but what I usually do is use is margin. So I want to add space here sa ilalim ng heading natin. Okay? So how to do that? Click this 0px and meron kang option to add 10px, 20 up to 60px na margin. So let's try to click 80. And I think it's too far away. So I'll just maybe use 20. Yeah, I think that's enough. And I also wanted to add space here at the bottom. Okay, so to do that, click nyo lang yung element. Again, let's add 10px below it, or maybe 20. Yeah. So yeah, and I think I want to make I know there's a standard standard na sizing sa when it comes to like web-based text. But what I usually do is I don't really personally follow those rules as long as merong hierarchy sa hero section mo. So when you go here, kasi yung goal natin is the goal ng isang landing page, for it to communicate well, is you must have like a hierarchy sa text, especially sa text nyo. So when you go here, when you look at our hero section here, ano yung una yung mababasa? So hindi yung mukha ko. No? So of course, the very first thing that we can see is the headline: build funnels with AHA innovations. Then your eyes will go here, replace 10+ tools with one simple platform, and get started. Then your eyes will redirect you will be redirected here. No, so that's how it works. No, that's how parang yung parang ano ba tawag doon? Journey ng site mo. So first here you will the reason why your headline is bigger, for people to read this first. Okay? So yun. And let's adjust this one so I don't, as what I said, as long as your texts are legible, people can read it properly, so that would work. Okay, so paano ba natin i-change yung size ng text natin? So go here, just click the element that you wanted to change the font. So here's a general, just go to font size and maybe around 23. Yeah, about that, or siguro 21. Yeah, so that would be great for me. So what I usually do, because this is called CTA button, right? So it must parang catch attention, so people would really be tempted to click the get started button. So what I usually do is I go to here on the right side, click animations, go to entrance animation, and I usually add like an infinite loop na bounce. Okay, so it will infinitely loop, para magba-bounce lang siya the whole time. Okay, so what I also do is let's go back, then click hover animation. So click elevate. So what does this do when you activate or select hover animation? So when you hover this, your button parang tumataas siya. Okay, and again, do not forget to save your work. Okay, to do that, you can see here parang may diskette. Sino ba dito ang nakaabot pa ng diskette? So this save button here yung parang nagbi-blink-blink. So, one indicator na meron pang process or meron ka pang edits na hindi na save is because merong nagbi-blink na yellow na thing here sa save button. Since wala pa tayong domain, we cannot publish it because we still have we haven't integrated we haven't integrated yet our domain. So we can only save our work for now. Okay. Once that's done, so nawala na yung nag-blink na yellow. So paano ba natin i-preview to? No? If you wanted to test if everything is looking well on like when it's live. Okay? So you can click this link, ito, or you can click the eyes. Itong mata na to. Here. Ang mata. Okay, we can click here, or balik tayo, or click the mata. The eyes. So, yeah. So that's how it would look like when it's live. Wala kang palakpak dyan. Thank you. So, ito yung hover na animation natin kanina. So, once we hover that, parang tataas yung button. Okay? Okay, so, as you can see guys, that yung background natin is a little bit blurry. So, paano ba natin how can we make our background not blurry? Again, do not forget to save your work. Let's go back here. Go here. Let's go back. And go to settings. Is it in here? Oh, yeah. Here on settings and here on image optimization, i-disable niya siya. Then, click save. Once that's saved, okay, let's go back to our builder. To do that, just click here, the edit button. Okay, and let's try. Click natin to and boom! Diba? It makes a lot of difference. So that's also one of pinaka good practice. No? Because again, when you use high quality image, it connotes professionalism. It will make your funnel very high end or very premium looking. No? So that's also one of the tips that I could give you when doing funnels. Okay, so what else should we do here? So let's add another section just for the sake of this tutorial. Let's add another section. Okay. To do that, click nyo lang dito sa add elements, then here's a section, then let's always use this full width for me personally. Then click that and drag it down here below our hero section. So again, meron na naman tayong new section, then click add. I want one column lang. Again, one column here. Let's add background. Again, to add background, click nyo lang tong green na section. Then go here sa general color. You can add video, image, or color. Or you can even use gradient. This is a new feature sa GHL. Okay. So let's use our brand colors to, add consistency. Now, it's always good to use the same colors, no, for para hindi all over the place yung natin, yung funnels natin. So let's maybe, I think okay. So let's add another element. Siguro let's add a video. Click here sa image. Oh no, video nga, di ba? Video. Then drag that. Okay. And again, if you want to add space, again, let's go here. Click natin. You can, what I usually do when adding space is I usually just go here sa select yung blue na part na to. No, this is our row. Okay. Go to styles, then add margin around 40 sa baba. Then let's add 40 na margin. Okay. So you can add or upload your photos here. Videos. You can also add YouTube link. Okay. So dito, when you click the video, you can add YouTube or video sa Vimeo, Wistia, or custom embed HTML5 or hosted video. Hosted video means yung video na in-upload nyo inside the inside AHA Innovation. So let's just use like a random YouTube video. Let's go to YouTube. Wow. Oh, wait. Ba't parang ayaw mag-load ng YouTube? Okay. But anyway, that's how you add another section and other elements. No, you can also add here. Let's go back here. Meron ding pre-built sections if you do not want to create it like manually. Here sa pre-built section, meron ditong about, call to action, FAQs, for who, and other bunch of pre-built sections. Okay, so gusto ko i-add yung FAQs. So to do that, just click that one, click, hold, and drag it down under the section where we put the video, then drop. Okay. So yan, that's it. So if you want to change, to customize it again, just click or add image. Yan. You can actually use or add customize your image. You can make it full center or parallax. So what parallax does is parang hindi nagsiscroll yung background image nyo. So parang ganito. Here. Okay. So I don't want to make my background here parallax. Gusto ko lang siyang naka full center. Yan. So it scrolls down, no? Because when you do parallax, parang lang siya, steady lang siya. So I want for it to be full center lang. Yan. Then when you scroll down here, yan. Okay. You can also customize the colors of your FAQs here. So yeah. Let's just duplicate our You can actually duplicate your elements here to do that. Just click the element and ito, yung parang nag-overlap na square. Just click that. Yan. So, nag-duplicate na siya. So, I want to put this below the FAQ na section. Just drag that, scroll down, and put that here. Tapos, i-delete natin to. This button. Then, click the button, go to styles, and lagyan natin sa center. Yung. Always click save. Para di kayo umiyak. No, it happened to me multiple times. Know that, you know, it's very sad na marami na yung na-edit mo, then di mo pala na-save. Okay? Let's preview that again. Our funnel. Yan. So, that's it. Okay ba guys? Do you think you can do it? Siyempre naman. This is very doable and very achievable. No? So, all you need to really, ito talaga yung pinaka good practice na that every funnel designers, funnel builders should do to do it on do your elements or your assets, design assets first on Canva. Okay, because that worked for me and I know it will definitely work for you. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. That's all I can share with you right now. Those are just very basic things that you can do to design your funnel design your funnel inside AHA Innovation. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope marami kayong natutunan and you can just go over or review this again, no, if you want to go back again and watch these videos, no. I think naka post nang din naman to sa page ng
All right. Thank you so much, Sir V. Can you guys hear me? Sir V, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah,
You
okay.
are.
So, yes, I will take over muna for this webinar kasi nagka-technical issues yung original host natin. By the way, I'm Stephen from AHA. And if you sign up with AHA Innovations today using Sir V's affiliate link, which you can see on the screen right now, you'll get 57% off. So our original price, by the way, is $59 for enterprise, and you can get it for $25, by the way. So Sir V, he's actually one of our ambassadors here, and as you can see, he's been using Go High Level or AHA Innovations to his client works, and napakaganda ng mga results. Sobrang natutuwa din yung team sa kanya kasi one of a kind yung mga funnel designs niya. And of course, maraming salamat, Sir V. Thank you so much for being a guest here on this webinar. This